रूही एंड अदिति, आई थिंक ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है, बिकॉज इवन रूही इज़ अ टीनेजर, अदिति इज़ ऑल्सो अ टीनेजर, एंड रूही की जो हॉबीज़ हैं, विशेज़ हैं, आई थिंक सिमिलरली अदिति की भी हैं, बट ऑब्वियसली अदिति इतनी ज़्यादा इमोशनल नहीं है, एंड रूही जितना अपनी फैमिली के लिए करती है, आई डोंट थिंक अदिति उतना ज़्यादा कर पाएगी, एंड रूही का जैसे दिमाग चलता है एंड रूही जैसे रूहान बन जाती है, आई डोंट थिंक अदिति कभी ऐसा स्टेप ले पाएगी जहाँ उसे रूहान द रॉकस्टार टाइप ऑफ थिंग करना पड़े. सो या आई थिंक दीज आर द डिफरेंसेस. Otherwise, I like kind of relate to the character very well. So, about Aditi at all, biggest secret. ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं actually. I am an open book, but yeah, actually there can be a lot of things. जैसे I think I cannot wake up, and I think the world knows about it already. I'm a very lazy person. And I hate to work out. I don't work out at all, and I can't get up on time. And something secret. Yeah. Okay, a story like that. I have a lot of interesting stories, but अभी ऐसे एकदम से याद नहीं आ रही कुछ. हाँ, कुछ click नहीं हो रहा है. Something very exciting, you know. I don't know. Okay. So जनरली बोला जाता है कि ऑयली फूड खाने से बहुत सारे पिंपल्स आते हैं, गर्मी निकलती है, ऑल दैट, एंड डॉक्टर टोल्ड मी नॉट टू ईट फ्रेंच फ्राइज एंड ऑल, एंड मैंने चुपके से बहुत सारी फ्रेंच फ्राइज खाई विद पीरी पीरी, द मैकडोनल्ड्स फ्रेंच फ्राइज, बिकॉज आई एम very 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 big fan of piri piri french fries, and this is a top secret, and I always, you know, tell the closest friends of mine to just give me french fries as a gift, because I can't eat that in front of my mom. So you know, if someone gives that to me, so it's like it's a gift now, I can't say no. Yeah, but that this is also not so secretive, I don't know. No, not really, but yeah, obviously, come on now. I have lied to mom a couple of times. I hope she doesn't see this interview. But yeah, but मतलब मेरा ऐसा case है ना, that you know what? Actually, this is a very big secret. That always, you know, there are 99% of the times whenever I try to hide something, it automatically comes in front of my mom. So it's like, you know, I don't think there is not even a single thing which is not there in front of my mom. She knows everything, and she still thinks that I have been hiding a lot from her. But I try to hide, but it just cannot happen. She comes to know about it every time. So whenever I used to study also, so if I'm taking like a 2-minute break to check my phone, that is the time only when my mom will enter the room. So you know, there are a lot of things wherein this happens, but the biggest secret is that I don't hide. I try to hide a lot of things, but I just can't hide anything from anyone. It automatically comes in front of everyone. I try to be secretive, but I am really not secret. I try a lot though. I think YHM is like a very very big family, and it's like a true family. So I think closest secrets. So see, we are on the sets for more than 12 hours these days. So you know, and it's been, I think, 9 months in this show. So Adi and Alia are my closest friends on set. Everybody, I'm very close to everyone, but you know, we entered the show together, so there was this kind of bond I shared with the two of them. I still share with the two of them. So then you know, there were times when Adi and Alia used to shoot together, so they were used to be together. My track was different, but still we have that nice bond. And I think the maximum secrets are there in the in like among the three of us. But I think the you know जो होता है ना दो friends के बीच में, I think that part is with Adi, that you know, he knows everything. That is why he troubles me so much, and Alia is good at that part. So she doesn't trouble me. Adi troubles me a lot. Yeah, he's always blackmailing me. He's like, you know, I hate him. Yes, Always, always. So whenever Adi has a, that is what I'm saying. Na, Alia is very nice that way, and Adi is such a bad person. What he'll do if he, if his shoulder is in suggestion and it's my close up which is going on, so he'll make such kind of faces, na. And I just can't concentrate if so I try to look on his forehead, I try to look on his chin, but I just can't focus. And I hate his eyebrows. So so the worst part is he'll do something or the other with his eyebrows, so which is even more annoying. I just can't see them normal, and when he's fidgeting with them also, it completely becomes a next level annoying thing. So it's the most interesting New Year anyone can have. I enjoyed a lot, and guess what I did? I slept. Yeah, I this was the calmest New Year I've ever had, and I think I saw Star Screen Awards, and I saw my Big Boss performance. That's it. And I was at home. I was chilling. I was with my family, and it was nice. It was very different from the New Years I've had, and people are having in this time. Yeah. So honestly, I try to keep a lot of resolutions. I try to hide things. I try to do a lot of things, but just doesn't happen. So my resolutions last for a maximum of 3 days, not more than that, I guess. And so every year, I think it's been 4 years that I've been taking this resolution of waking up and working out, but it just cannot happen. I barely wake up for this shoot. I barely wake up for school. So waking up is a very difficult task for me. But still, I'll try. It's already the 4th of Jan, and I took this resolution again, and I just couldn't fulfill it. And it's like very difficult. So this time I think my first resolution is to complete my resolutions. Yeah. Since I think I got to know the meaning of resolution 5 years back. So this year my resolution is to complete those 5-year resolutions. Why, Acha? Yeah, I think this opportunity is the best thing that happened in 2016, and all my dreams have come true in 2016. It's been my best year so far. Yeah. I don't want to be lalchi because if I say I want more, I'll be the greedy one. But I just want things to be the same and constant. I'm very happy and content now, so I want things to be the same, and I want people. Yeah, I want consistency in life, and I want people to keep loving the way they are loving me. And I think in terms of everything, I'm very happy right now. So I just want this to stay forever. I don't want this to go, backwards. And that's it. Yeah. This is for all my fans. So thank you so much for giving me immense love, because I never expected that I'll be getting so much love. First of all, I was very afraid of getting the acceptance from the audience, but I got it in a very big range, and I'm very happy about it. I just want you all to keep loving me and keep watching me, and I'll try my best to entertain you all. Okay, thank you.